We get a lot of questions about our Maywest skid hitch, and today we are going to answer the most commonly asked questions. The most common question we receive is, what skid loader will this skid hitch fit? This is a universal skid hitch that will fit on every model and every make of skid loader. Another commonly asked question is, does our skid hitch come with a standard receiver hitch? And the answer to that is, you will have to supply your own receiver hitch. What kind of hitch do we need? A standard 2-inch receiver hitch. It can be either a straight or a drop or whatever receiver hitch you have laying around. Another commonly asked question is, what is the load rating on the skid hitch? The load rating on the skid hitch is 800 pounds. At 800 pounds, this skid hitch is ideal for moving any type of trailer or implement that you must maneuver around your farmyard, shop, or wherever it may be. Keep in mind, it's not designed for the heavy loads, let's say if you have a grain cart full of grain. Another commonly asked question is, I already have a full skid plate trailer hitch. Why would I want to buy your skid hitch? The advantage of a skid hitch is it is small, lightweight, and easy to remove. It will fit in your truck toolbox, so if you need to tow something out of the way in the farmyard or job site, you can get to it quickly without having to run back to the shop to get your full plate. That's probably buried in the back of a shed behind 10 other things. Another commonly asked question is, wouldn't it be cheaper if I just bolted a ball hitch on the end of my fork tine? And the answer is, yeah, it would be cheaper. However, if you ever want to use that fork tine again, you're going to have to remove that ball somehow. To order your Maywest skid hitch, go visit one of your local Maywest dealers. Check us out on the web at www.maywest.com or give us a call, 1-800-788-6483.